Kanyama apimnwe COVID-19. 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 What is COVID-19? Is it a dragon? A monster? Or a calamity? Some people say it originated from China, while scientists claim it originated from mammals. What do you perceive it to be? An illusion? Hallucination? Or delusion? COVID-19 stigma, a challenge to humanity. This is the tale. A wave in the deep sea to tell. A whirlwind, a mist storm from hell. Is it an illusion, hallucination, or delusion? I can hear the wind from the land of the deep, coming with haste, like a dragon in the jungle, filling man with fear and grief. How do we cope with this invisible killer without a healer? Is it an illusion, hallucination, or delusion? A cloud of sorrow has engulfed the horizons. Mother Earth is endangered without fear. Humanity is threatened, but all is clear. Is it an illusion, hallucination, or delusion? The monster like the moon has pounced on a hard rock. Humanity trembles, groaning in a pool of air that comes not. All mama by the twist of events. Social distance, quarantine, stay home. Is it an illusion, hallucination, or delusion? Filled with perplexion and awe, humanity has its about turn, walking in corded chains of masks and polythene bags, denied rights to nature and nurture. The only way to define a human person is like a wounded lion in its den. Is it an illusion, hallucination, or delusion? The monster has proved his prowess against governments alike, controlling the powerful and the powerless, denying the freedom of movement and rights to life. Is it an illusion, hallucination, or delusion? Is there an answer to the destruction of human thinking? A change of perception is all that is needed in its trickling. In the way of action to the life approaches in its twinkling. Is it an illusion, hallucination, or delusion? Our question to existence must be revealed. Is it a calamity, or is it a conspiracy? Drained of nation stability and health care, our behavior and environment are in jeopardy. Is it an illusion, hallucination, or delusion? Denied our direct physical human connections, families ostracized, hurried burials, excessive hand washings. Should we adapt it or kick it out? With both good and bad, we still have great technological achievements. Is it an illusion, hallucination, or delusion? My soul mourns, my heart groans, my mind roams like a foreigner in his own land. What fate has this calamity? Hope is our only refuge. Is it an illusion, hallucination, or delusion? The mind has been cultivated to a new lifestyle. Is it just a passing whim? Even religion has been denied. But where is the culture of love and care? Can science harness it? Oh yes, there is need for a brighter tomorrow. Is it an illusion, hallucination, or delusion? At last, there's light at the end of the tunnel. At least, we don't have to see COVID-19 in every channel. Schools reopening, patients recovering, airports resuming. Is it an illusion, hallucination, delusion, or disillusion?